So, good morning to all. So, today I am going to start quantitative aptitude. So, in the quantitative aptitude, the first of all, before introducing the syllabus, first of all, what are the fundamentals in the quantitative aptitude? What are the basics in the quantitative aptitude? So, first of all, we need to concentrate on the fundamentals in the quantitative aptitude. The fundamentals in the quantitative aptitude is nothing but mind calculations. By using mind calculations, most of the chapters in the quantitative aptitude, so we are going to deal without using any formula, without using pen and paper. So today's class is very important. So this mind calculations plays a crucial role in this quantitative aptitude. So in the entire mind calculations, one word it is very important, that is the word percentage. What is the literal meaning of the word? What is the meaning of the word percentage? Here the meaning of the word percentage is nothing but to consider per every 100. To consider per every 100. Per every 100. To consider per every 100. In this one, two concepts are there. Concept number one, to convert any number or fraction in terms of percentage, we need to multiply it with 100. Once again, to convert any number or fraction in terms of percentage, we need to multiply it with 100. So here, a number, one is a number or fraction. Tell me, one is a number or fraction? Yes, one is a number as well as fraction also. So in order to get percentage, I need to multiply it with what? 100. So 1 is nothing but how much percentage, Amma? 1 is nothing but 100 percentage. Both are same. Both are same. In terms of number, it is 1. But in terms of percentage, it is 100 percentage. Both are same. The way of expression is different. The way of notation is different. But value-wise, both are same. That is the reason in the quantitative aptitude, whenever you are solving certain examples, Amma, we don't know some values. In that case, we are going to assume something. Some students assuming that unknown number as x, some students assuming that unknown number as 1, some students assuming that unknown number as 100. Whatever they are assuming, all of them get the same answer because those values are same. So here coming to fraction. Now tell me, Amma, so what is the meaning of the word fraction? 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 So the literal meaning of the word fraction is nothing but a part of whole thing. What, Amma? A part of whole thing. This is very important, Amma. A part of whole thing. A part of whole thing. Say for example, in a class of 30 students, 10 girls are there. What fraction of girls are there in the class? 10 girls are there now. They're asking what fraction of girls are there in the class? So 10 are girls, total it is 30. 10 by 30. 10 by 30. If 10 is what here? A part of the class. A part of whole the class. Take any fraction. The fraction literal meaning is nothing but a part of whole thing. And one more important point here, the compared person is always put in the denominator. Compared person is always put in the denominator. So to whom we have to compare, to whom we have to compare. So that one is always put in the, that to whom we have to compare, we have to compare, that one is always put in the denominator, that one is always put in the denominator. And what we compare, and what we compare, So what we compare? Okay, so what we compare? What we compare? That one you have to put in the numerator. Listen up here. This is very, very important point. In quantitative aptitude, after reading any statement in any question, first of all, we need one clarity. So after reading a statement, we need one clarity. That is what? Which value you have to put in the numerator, which value you have to put in the denominator. That is very, very important. So we need to maintain that clarity. If you don't know that clarity, if you ulta those things, numerator value, denominator value, numerator, so that type of option is also available in the given question. So that is the reason. After reading a statement, first of all, we need one clarity. So which value you have to put in the numerator, which value you have to put in the denominator. All of you clear, Amma? So coming to one example. Say for example, if you take one fraction, 3 by 4 is a fraction. 3 by 4 is a fraction. Yes. In order to get percentage, what do we do, Amma? We need to multiply it with 100. So 3 by 4 is nothing but how much, Andy? 3 by 4 is nothing but how much, Amma? 75%. It's very easy because this 100 is divisible by 4. It's very easy because 4 1 jaru, 4 25 jaru, 3 25 jaru, 75. It's very easy. Okay, if 100 is divisible by 4, it's very easy. If 100 is not divisible by 4, then what happen? Say for example, the fraction is like this. The fraction is like this. Now tell me, what is the answer? Now tell me, what is the answer? 73 by 151. 73 by 151. First of all, 100 is not divisible by 151. It goes 2 table? No. It goes 3 table? No. After some time, no table because 73 is a prime number. Students are feeling it is very tough. It's very tough. In order to get this step, we already spent some time. But in order to solve this one, it will take more time now. It will take more time now. So that is the reason. That is the reason. So, Amma, all of you listen, Amma, here. This is very, very important point, and this is very, very important point, Amma. Whatever number they given, whether the number is easy number, whether the number is odd number, whether the number is prime number, whether the number is largest number, whatever tough number they given, our target is only one thing. We are going to attack directly without using pen and paper. Today the importance of the class is that one only. So today I will give that much guarantee. Today the end of the session. So we are going to say the answers orally without using pen and paper. It's very, very important. All of you listen, Amma. So the first point here you have to remember in the mind calculations, to convert any number or fraction in terms of percentage, we need to multiply it with 100. We need to multiply it with 100. Very good. Now here, all of you listen, Amma. In the entire mind calculations, Sunday, 4 things are very, very important, Amma. These 4 are 4 fundamental pillars to the quantitative aptitude. Amma, before enter into the syllabus, first of all, strong your basics. First of all, strong your fundamentals. These are the 4 fundamentals that are required for the quantitative aptitude. The first one and the basic one, everybody knows, that is nothing but what, Amma? Tables. Without knowing tables, it's not possible to handle quantitative aptitude. Okay, Nama. So we required minimum 20 tables, not more than 20. If you know 20, based upon 20, definitely we are going to draft so more than 20 also. First of all, we need to concentrate minimum 20 tables, because here the thing is, all of you, Amma, yeah, here the thing is. So say for example, if they ask you, what is 19/7 jars? What is 19/7 jar? If you don't know 19/7 jar, it will take some time. Okay, Amma. So here, knowing that tables is nothing but not in single way. Here we need 20 tables from multiple ways, because We don't know na yet what way they're asking in the exam, but you are ready to face yet whatever way they're asking. See, for example, if they may ask, what is 719 jars? Sir, how it is possible, sir, 719 jars? That is the reason I told na, we need multiple ways na. Sometimes not like that. 7 is there, 133 is there. 7 is there, 133 is there. 7 times in which table 133 comes. So we need these many ways. Amma, if you don't know table, if you don't know tables, so whenever you are calculating something, if you require 19 jars, if you don't know 19 jars directly, then what we do in the exam? 19 into 7, and you are doing some circus. It will take some time, Anna. Amma, just think away, just think away. You are preparing for a competitive exam for 1 year, but they are giving only 60 minutes time, na? How much valuable time that is? How much crucial time that is? That much crucial time you are wasting, na? Whenever you are writing. So this type of calculations, that is the reason. The first deck, the first class itself, I am saying, just try to learn minimum 20 tables in multiple ways. All of you, okay, Namma? Come into the next pillar, and next important pillar, the next important basics. We need minimum 50 square roots. Do you know square roots? We need minimum 50 square roots. Minimum 50 square roots. Say, for example, tell me, Amma. So, tell me, what is 1 square? What is 1 square? Replay. What is 1 square? 1. Very good. Because it's very easy, na? It's very easy. Very good. Amma, now tell me, what is 49 square? What is 49 square? Anyone? What is 49 square? Anyone? Anyone is replying answer? What is 49 square? What is 49 square? No one. No one. No one is there. So what is 34 square, Amma? Tell me, what is 34 square? What is 34 square? What is 34 square? No one is there. Okay. So what is Amma? What is 23 square? What is 23 square? No one is there. No one is there. Okay. What is 12 square? Very good. Very good. What is 12 square? Very good. 144. So because it's very easy, na? What is 5 square, Amma? What is 5 square? 25. Very fast. Very good. Amma, here we need minimum 50 square roots. We need minimum 50 square roots confidently. Confidently. Okay, Amma. So 49 square is nothing but 2401. 34 square is nothing but 1156. 23 square is nothing but 529. So we need that confidence. Knowing the answer is not important. The confidence of delivering is very, very important. Amma, if you don't know square roots, if you don't know square roots, whenever you are calculating something in the exam, if you require, if you require 34 square value, if you don't know 34 square value, if you don't know 34 square value, generally what do we do in the exam? 34 into 34. We don't know 34 square table, 34 table, na? Then start with the 4 table, then start with the 3 table. You are doing some circus, na? That is the reason I am saying. Try to learn minimum 50 square roots. Amma, just don't worry. Just list out 50 square roots and see regularly for 2 to 3 days. Then definitely it will be noted. No doubt in that one. And some of the members are saying, so what are the shortcuts for square roots? Amma, if you follow the shortcuts for square roots, it's not possible to apply at the time of the exam. Because in order to apply that shortcut also it will take some time, na? For basics also shortcuts, na? It's not possible to remember. So don't go through that type of foolish shortcuts, Amma. Just try to list out the 50 square roots and see regularly 2 to 3 days, then definitely it will be noted. By using 50 square roots, definitely, so we are going to draft more than 50 also. Just concentrate up to 50 square roots, Amma. It will help you a lot. And the third one, that is cube roots. So here we need minimum 25 cube roots. We need minimum 25 cube roots. Say, for example, tell me anyone, what is 1 cube? What is 1 cube? Very good. 1 cube is 1. It's very easy. Now tell me, what is 25 cube? 25 cube. 25 cube. Not 25 square. That is 25 cube. So, say for example, tell me, what is 15 cube? What is 12 cube? Okay. What is 5 cube? Very good, very good. 125. So I need the same type of confidence up to 25. So 25 cube is nothing but 15625. 15 cube is nothing but 3375. 12 cube is nothing but 1728. I need the same type of confidence up to 25. Up to 25. Amma, the first three are your duty. It's not my duty. The first three are your duty. It's not my duty. Okay, Randy. So first of all, try to list out these three and just try to learn within 2 to 3 days. Okay, Nama. The fourth one it's very very important. The fourth one it's very very important. It's very very important. It's very very important. So that is fraction table. That is what, Amma? Fraction table. Fraction to percentage conversion table. Simply, I can call it as fraction table. This is what, Amma? Fraction to percentage conversion table. This is very, very crucial. This is the important and strongest pillar to the quantitative aptitude. So, by using this fraction table, some of the questions in the quantitative aptitude, so we are going to attack directly without using any formula, without using any pen and paper, within fraction of seconds. That much importance is there. And one more important point, Amma. Some of the complicated questions in the quantitative aptitude, so we don't know how to initiate the problem, we don't know how to start the problem for that type of complicated questions. This fraction table will give the ideas, will give the ideas how to initiate the problem, how to start the problem. That type of keywords we are fetching in the exam by using this fraction table. That much importance is there. That much importance is there. Amma, the fourth one, it's my duty. The fraction table is it's my duty. How to remember this fraction table in a systematic way, in a systematic approach? I will give this one. The first three are your duty, and the fourth one it's my duty. Altogether, these four are the four fundamental pillars to the quantitative aptitude. All of you clear, Amma? Very good. Now list out these four, Amma, and all of you put it in fraction table. All of you put it in, Amma, fraction table. All of you put it in, Amma, fraction table. So I already told to convert any number or fraction in terms of percentage. In terms of percentage, so we need to multiply it with what? 100. Say for example, 1. 1 is nothing but how much percentage, Amma? 1 is nothing but how much percentage, Amma? 100 percentage. If I take half of this one, listen carefully, Amma. So this is very, very crucial and this is very, very important. Listen, all of you carefully, just concentrate here. Half of this one is 1 by 2, half of 100 is 50 percentage. If I go for again half of this one, so half of 50 is nothing but what, Amma? 25 percentage. If I go for again half, half of 25 is how much, Amma? Half of 25 is how much, Amma? Half of 25 is how much, Amma? 12.5 percentage. Or I can written as what, Amma? 12.5 percentage. Simply I go for what, Amma, here? Half. Okay, Amma? If I want 1 by 16 and go for again half, Amma. Go for again half. Half of 12.5 is nothing but what, Amma? 6. Half is nothing but 1 by 4. 6 1 by 4. Or I can written as what, Amma? 6.25. Ma, nothing is there, Amma, here. Just half, 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 half. All of you okay, Nandi? And Amma, one more important point, Amma. If you don't know this type of fraction table, and so say for example in the exam, if they ask like this, what is 6 1 by 4 percentage of, what is 6 1 by 4 percentage of 10,240? What, Amma? 10,240. What is 6 1 by 4 percentage of 10,000? 10,240. If you don't know this type of fraction table, generally how to start this problem? Generally how to start this problem? 6 1 by 4 is a mixed fraction. Then start 6 4 is 24 plus 1 25, 25 by 4 percentage symbol is there, 20 by 25 by 4 by 100, 25 1 jaru, 25 4 jaru, 1 by 4 by 4, 1 by 16, 16 1 jaru, 16 6 jaru, 16 4 jaru, 16 0 time. It will take 640 after doing some circus. It will take some time, Anna. Just tell me. It will take some time. Definitely. But if we know fraction table, so here we know very well 6 1 by 4 is what, Amma? 1 by 16 fraction. 6 1 by 4 is what, Amma? 1 by 16 fraction. Cancel with the 16 directly. Amma, 16 6 are 96. Remainder is what? 6. 4 is there. 64. 16 4s are 64. 0 is there. Your answer is what, Amma? Your answer is what, Andy? 640. Your answer is what, Amma? 640. Your answer is what, Amma? 640. All of you clear, Andy? Within seconds we are getting na. All of you okay, Amma? So that much importance is there, Andy. That much importance is there, Amma, by using this fraction table. Oi. Okay. Now, so coming to the next one, Amma. 1 by 4 is nothing but what, Amma, here? 25% na. 1 by 4 is nothing but what, Amma? 25% na. Say for example, if I go for 3 by 4. If I go for what, Amma? 3 by 4. 3 times of 1 by 4 is 3 by 4, Amma. 3 times of 1 by 4 is what, Amma? 3 by 4 na. Then this is what, Amma? 3 by 4 is nothing but what, Amma? 75%. If I go for 1 by 3, 1 by 3 is nothing but 33 1 by 3 percentage, or I can write as 33.33 percentage. Amma, if you have any doubt, just multiply it with 100, then we can get that percentage. No doubt in that one. Say for example, if I go for 2 by 3, if I go for what, Amma? 2 by 3. So 2 times of this one, na? 2 times of this one is how much, Amma? 66 2 by 3, or I can written as 66.66 percentage. Yes or no? All of you okay, Amma? Up to now, we know very well because we are using regularly in our daily life. But from now onwards is very, very important, Andy. Now onwards is very, very important, Amma. Listen carefully here, Andy. 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is nothing but 20 percentage. Just try to remember, Amma. This is very, very important. Simply remember, whenever 5 is in the denominator, so 20 multiples are coming. Which multiples are coming, Amma? 20 multiples are coming whenever 5 is in the denominator. So remember in both ways, Andy. Whenever 20 multiples are coming in terms of percentages, which fraction is coming? 5 fraction is coming. Whenever 5 is there in the denominator, which percentages are coming? 20 multiples are coming. Remember in both ways. Amma, all of you know 20 table? So very good. Tell me, Amma, what is 2 by 5? Just 2 times of 20. 2 times of 20 is how much, Amma? 40%. It's very easy, na? Similarly, If I need 3 by 5, if I need what amma? 3 by 5. So 3 times of 20 is how much amma? 3 times of 20 is how much amma? 60 percentage. So if I need 4 by 5, if I need what amma? 4 by 5. So 4 times of 20 is how much amma? 80 percentage. No need to by heart individually. Just try to remember whenever 5 is in the denominator, 20 multiples are coming. Just remember this point. Automatically we can get all the remaining. So 5 by 5 is needed? No, because 5 by 5 is nothing but 1. We know very well 1 is nothing but what amma? 100 percentage. It's very good. Now, so now we go for next one amma. So 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 6 is nothing but 16 2 by 3 percentage. What amma? 16 2 by 3 percentage, or we can written as 16.66 percentage. Amma, if you have any doubt, so 1 by 6 is a fraction na. If you multiply it with 100 na, 1 by 6 into 100. 16 times 96. 16 times 96. Remainder is what? 4. 4 by 6 is nothing but 2 by 3. If you have any doubt, anyway, just multiply it with 100. Then we can get those percentages. Simply remember, Andy, whenever 6 is coming in the denominator, which multiples are coming, amma? Which multiples are coming, Andy? So, which multiples are coming, amma? All of you listen, Andy. Which multiples are coming? 16 multiples are coming. What, amma? 16 multiples are coming. So, next, Andy, 2 by 6 is needed. 2 by 6 is needed. So, 2 by 6 is needed, Andy? No. 2 by 6 is needed, amma? No. 2 by 6 is nothing but what? 2 by 6 is nothing but what? 1 by 3. Already I know 1 by 3, na? Already I know 1 by 3, na? So, that is the reason. So, no need to go for 2 by 6. Next, 3 by 6 is required. 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is nothing but what, amma? 1 by 2. I know 1 by 2. Okay, Andy? So, next, 4 by 6 is needed, Andy? 4 by 6 is needed? No. 4 by 6 is nothing but what? 2 by 3. Already we know. So, that is the reason I skip these things, amma. I skip these things. Okay, amma. So, 2 by 6, 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. Next one, it is what, Andy? 5 by 6. This 5 by 6 is very, very important. 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is nothing but 5 times of this one. So 5 times of this one is nothing but 83 1 by 3 percentage, 83 1 by 3 percentage, or I can written as 83.33 percentage, or I can written as what amma? 83.33 percentage. So if you have any doubt, 16 5s are 80, 2 by 3 5 times 10 by 3, 10 by 3 is nothing but 3 1 by 3, 80 plus 3 1 by 3, 83 1 by 3. All of you okay, Andy? So next important one, amma, is most important one. The most important one, that is 7 fraction, Andy. This very, very important one, Andy. 7 fraction. 1 by 7. 1 by 7. It's very, very important, Andy. 1 by 7 is nothing but 1 by 7 is nothing but 14 2 by 7. 14 2 by 7. Or I can written as 14.28 percentage. 14.28 percentage. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. Simply remember, whenever 7 is in the denominator, 14 multiples are coming. Which multiples are coming? 14 multiples are coming. So how it is gets up? So 1 by 7 is a fraction. If you multiply it with 100, 1 by 7 into 100. Amma, 7 how many times amma 100? 7 14 just 98. Remainder is 2. 2 is divided with 7. 14 2 by 7. Simply remember, Andy. Simply remember, amma. Whenever 7 is in the denominator, 14 multiples are coming. 14 multiples are coming, and beside to 14, every time 2 by 7 is coming. Every time which one is coming? 2 by 7 is coming, and every time 2 is added to the numerator. And every time 2 is added to the numerator. Apart from 14 multiple. Apart from 14 multiple. Now, amma, all of you know 14 table. All of you know 14 table. Now tell me, amma. Now tell me. So what is 2 by 7? What is 2 by 7? Simply 14 2s are 28. Amma, every time 2 is added to the numerator, na? Every time 2 is added to the numerator, na? And what we get, amma? 4 by 7. 28 to 4 by 7. Amma, similarly, 3 by 7. 14 3 jars is how much, Andy? 14 3 jars is how much, amma? 42. So every time 2 is added to the numerator, na? And what we get, Andy? 42 6 by 7. Amma, if I need 4 by 7, 4 by 7 is nothing but what, Andy? 14 4 jars. 14 4 jars is how much, amma? 56. So 56 what, amma? 56 what, amma? 56 8 by 7. 56 8 by 7. Amma, first of all tell me, what is 8 by 7? What is 8 by 7? What is 8 by 7? Anyone? Anyone? What is 8 by 7? What is 8 by 7? I know 8 by 7 is 1 by 7. Here I am not asking 8 by 7 how to write. Here I am asking what is 8 by 7. Anyone? Anyone in the live? Anyone? What is 8 by 7? Okay. 8 by 7 is a improper fraction. What am I? Improper fraction. First of all, tell me what is meant by proper fraction. Proper fraction is nothing but the numerator is always less than the denominator. The numerator is always less than the denominator. But here numerator is greater than the denominator, na? That is the reason this one call it as what, amma? Improper fraction. What, amma? Improper fraction. Okay, Randy? Remember one point, amma? Fractions must and should be in proper fractions only. In proper fractions only. Okay, Nandi? So now 8 by 7 is improper fraction. Now I can split into normal fraction, amma. 7 1 jars 7. Remainder is 1 1 by 7. Okay, amma. That 1 is added to whom, amma? 56. 56. And it become what, Andy? It become what, amma? So it become what, amma? 57. 57. 57 1 by 7. Okay, Nandi. And something is happening here, amma. Put star mark here. Why I am putting star mark here? Apart from so 14 multiple, one extra carry forward is added for this one. One extra carry forward is added this one. That is the reason I am saying 57 1 by 7. Okay, Nandi. So next 5 by 7, Nandi. Next 5 by 7. Now tell me, amma, 14 5 jars is how much? 14 5 jars. 14 5 jars 70. Plus 1 is there, na? Plus 1 is there, na? 70 plus 1 71. Every time 2 is added, na? Every time 2 is added to the numerator, na? 71 3 by 7. Now I need what, amma? 6 by 7. 6 by 7. 6 by 7 is nothing but 6 by 14 6 as and amma 84 plus 1 is there, and every time 2 is added to the numerator 85 5 by 7. 85 5 by 7. Amma, if you by heart individually, it will take some time. And definitely you may forget in the exam. That is the reason. Don't go for by heart. Always try. So simply remember, whenever 7 is in the denominator, 14 multiples are coming. Which multiples are coming, amma? 14 multiples are coming. And whenever 14 multiples are coming, which fraction is coming? 7 fraction is coming. All of you clear, Andy? Amma, are you ready for the challenge? I will ask one question. All of you, are you ready for the challenge? Anyone? Okay. I will ask one question, Andy. So I will ask one question, amma. Just try to solve this question answer, Andy. Just all of you, just try to solve all of you. What is 85? What is 85 5 by 7 percentage of 686? Amma, all of you try to solve without using pen and paper. All of you, so who are in the live, just try to solve without using pen and paper. Without using pen and paper. Okay, Nandi? Just try to say the answer, all of you. Just try to say the answer. I need answer. I need answer. 85 5 by 7 percentage of 686. Without using pen and paper, try to solve. If you use pen and paper in the exam also, you are using the same pen and paper. So try to solve from the first day onwards without using pen and paper. Anyone? So I need answer. I need answer. 608. Swapna said 608. Okay, still I am waiting for the right answer. Still I am waiting for the right answer. 608, it's not the right answer. Still I am waiting for the right answer. Still I am waiting for the right answer. Anyone? Be respond. Be active in the class. All of you. 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 490. 490. So still I am waiting for the right answer. Karthikeyan says answer is 490. Still I am waiting for the right answer. Still I am waiting. Yes, 594. Still I am waiting for the right answer. Sai is saying 594. Still I am waiting. Still I am waiting for the right answer. And one more person saying 584. No. Still I am waiting for the right answer. Okay. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it, Amma. All of you. Just look at me, Amma. Amma, if you don't know this fraction table, whenever you are seeing this expression in the exam, generally how to solve? Generally how to solve? If you don't know fraction table, generally how to solve? 85 5 by 7 is a mixed fraction. 85 5 by 7 is a mixed fraction. Then start like this: 85 into 7, 85 into 7 plus 5 divided by 7 and whole divided by 100 into 686. Amma, if you do this circus, it will take some time, Anna. It will take some time, Anna. But we don't go for like this. Okay, Amma, we don't go for like this. It will take some time. First of all, I will explain. First of all, I will explain orally. Amma, all of you look at me, Amma. All of you look at me carefully. Just I will explain orally. Is it visible to you? Yes. Just look at me. I am explaining orally. I am not writing on the board. Just so I am explaining orally. Just look at me, all of you. 85 5 by 7 is a 6 by 7 fraction. What amma? What amma? 6 by 7 fraction. Denominator 7 is there, na? In order to cancel 7, 686 I can written as 7 multiple. 686 I can split into 2 into 3, 4, 3. 2 into 3, 4, 3. Amma, 3, 4, 3 is which cube? 3, 4, 3 is which cube? 7 cube. 7, 7 get cancelled. 7 square, 49. 49, 2 that's 98. 98, 6 that's 588. 100, 6 that's 600. 6 into 100, 600. Less than 2, 6, 2 that's 12. Subtract 12 from 600. That is 588. Your answer is 588. Within seconds we are getting na. Within seconds we are getting na. Without using pen and paper. Amma, I will explain one more time. I will explain one more time. One more time. Just look at me. I will explain. So I will explain. Karthikeyan. Just look at me. So I will explain once again on the board. Once again on the board, Karthikeyan. So Karthikeyan is asking how we are getting, sir, 588. No problem. Just look at me, Amma. Karthikeyan. 85 5 by 7 is what, Amma? 85 5 by 7 is what? Which fraction? 6 by 7 fraction. 6 by 7 fraction. 6 by 7 into 686 I can written as 2 into 343. 2 into 343. 2 into 343. Amma, 343 is which cube andi? 7 cube. 343 is which cube, Amma? 7 cube. 7 7 get cancelled na. This is what? 7 square. 7 square is nothing but how much andi? 7 square is nothing but how much? 49. 49 twos are 98. 98 into 6. 98 into 6. 98 6 is as 588. First of all, 100 into 6, 600. For 198 is 2 less na. 6 2s are 12. Subtract 12 from 600. Then we are getting 588. Karthikeyan, are it is okay? Are you okay, Namma? So, by using fraction table, so it's very easy to handle. It's very easy to handle. All of you clear, Andy? Very good. So Karthikeyan, are you get the answer? 588. Very good. So now, Amma, Coming to the next one, Andy. 7 fractions completed, Amma. Next we go for 8 fraction, Andy. So it is very, very important. 8 fraction, it is very, very important, Amma. So I already told 1 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 8 is nothing but 12.5 percentage. What, Amma? 12.5 percentage. Simply remember, Andy. Simply remember, whenever 8 is in the denominator, which multiples are coming, Amma? 12.5 multiples are coming. What, Amma? 12.5 multiples are coming. 12.5 multiples are coming. And one more important point, Andy. Whenever half is coming in terms of percentages, that is definitely 8 fraction. Apart from 8 fraction, there is no other fraction. Half is coming in terms of percentages. If half is coming, that is definitely 8 fraction. Okay, Amma? Amma, all of you know 12 and half table? 12 and half table? So, okay. So, 12 and half table. So, Chundamma, look at me, all of you. So, 2 by 8 is needed, Andy. 2 by 8 is not required because 2 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 4. Next, I go for what, Amma? 3 by 8. 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 is nothing but 12 and half 3 jars, na? 12 3 jars 36. 12 3 jars 36. So 3 half jars 1 and half 36 plus 1 and half. 36 plus 1 and half is how much, Amma? 36 plus 1 and half 37 and half. Next, Amma, 4 by 8 is needed? No, because 4 by 8 is nothing but what, Amma? 4 by 8 is nothing but what, Andy? So 4 by 8 is nothing but what, Amma? 1 by 2. We know 1 by 2 already. So that is the reason I go for 5 by 8 directly. So 12 5 jars is how much, Amma? 60. 5 half jars is how much, Amma? 2 and half. Then nothing but what, Amma? 62 and half. What, Amma? 62 and half. Next, 6 by 8 is required, Andy. 6 by 8 is nothing but how much, Amma? 6 by 8 is nothing but 3 by 4. We know already. So that is the reason I go for directly 7 by 8. 7 by 8 is nothing but 12 7 jars is how much, Amma? 84. 7 half jars? 3 and half. 84 plus 3 and half? 87 and half. Amma, no need to buy hard individually, Andy. No need to buy hard individually. Just remember, Amma, whenever 8 is in the denominator, which multiples are coming, Andy? 12 and half multiples are coming. Whenever 12 and half multiples are coming, 8 fraction is coming. 8 is nothing but 12 and half. 12 and half is nothing but 8. All of you clear, Kadamma? Are you ready for the challenge? I will ask one question. Are you ready for the challenge? Are you ready? All of you? Okay, I will ask some question, Andy. And try to solve without using pen and paper. All of you, Amma, try to solve without using pen and paper and try to answer very fast. I need answer within seconds. Within seconds. Terms and conditions are applied. Look at me. So look at me. What is the question? What is 87.5 percentage of 87.5 percentage of 4096? Tell me what is the answer? I need answer. I am waiting for the answer. So try to solve without using pen and paper. All of you. Try to solve without using pen and paper. I need answer. I need answer. I am waiting for the answer. Still I am waiting. Three five eight four. Very good. So Angela saying 3584. It's very good. 3584. Yes, Karthikeyan saying also 3584. Very good. That is the right answer. Very good. Fast response is there. Okay, very good. So look at me, Amma. First of all, I will explain orally. 87.5 is nothing but what, Amma? 7 by 8 fraction. 7 by 8 into 4096, na? Yes, sir, na? In order to cancel 8, 4096 I can split into 8 into something. 8 into 8 table 40 goes how many times, amma? 5 times. 8 table 96 goes how many times, amma? 12 times. 8 into 5, 12. 8 8 get cancel na. 7 into 5, 12. 7 5 as 35. 7 12 as 84. Your answer is 3584. All of you okay na? Without using pen and paper, you are going to attack directly or not? It's very good. Once again, I will explain on the board. Look at me, all of you. Once again, I will explain on the board. 87 and a half is nothing but 87 and a half is nothing but 87 and a half is nothing but what, amma? 7 by 8 na into, in order to cancel 8 and I can split this one as 8 multiple 8 into amma, generally in 8 table okay nama, generally in 8 table 40 goes how many times andi? 5 times. 40 goes how many times, amma? 5 times. Okay nandi? So 96 goes how many times, amma? 12 times. Okay na? All of you okay na? Now 8 8 get cancel na. 8 8 get cancel na. Amma 7 5s are 35. 7 12s are 84. Your answer is 3584. All of you clear andi? It's very easy to attack na. And if you practice from the first day onwards like this, after few days you can get the confidence. It's not possible it will get in a single day. If you practice from the first day onwards this type of orientation, definitely you may get this type of calculations in the coming days. It help a lot in the final exam. All of you clear kadamma? Now, so coming to the after completion of the 8 fraction, amma, after completion of the 8 fraction, so we go for what andi? We go for what? So 9 fraction. So whenever 9 is in the denominator, amma, whenever 9 is in the denominator, so all of you look at me andi, 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is nothing but 11 1 by 9 percentage, or I can written as 11.11 percentage. Simply remember, whenever 9 is in the denominator, 11 multiples are coming. Which multiples are coming? 11 multiples are coming. 9, whenever 9 is in the denominator, 11 multiples are coming. And remember, in both ways, whenever 11 multiples are coming, 9 fraction is coming. 9 is nothing but 11. 11 is nothing but 9. Amma, all of you know 9 table? 11 table? Okay. 11 table. Very good. Tell me, Amma, what is 2 by 9? Just 2 by 9. 2 times of this one. 2 times of this one is how much, amma? 22. 2 by 9. Amma, next 3 by 9 is required. 3 by 9 is nothing but what, amma? 1 by 3. Already we know 1 by 3 is nothing but how much, amma? 33. 1 by 3. Already we know na? So that is the reason I skipped that one. Next end, amma? 4 by 9. Amma, 4 by 9 is nothing but what, amma? 4 times of 11. 44, 44, 44, 4 by 9. Amma, next 5 by 9. 5 by 9 is nothing but what andi? 11 5s are 55. 11 5s are 55. 55 by 55, 5 by 9. Amma, next 6 by 9 is needed. 6 by 9 is needed. 6 by 9 is nothing but what? 2 by 3. We already know 2 by 3 na. 2 by 3 is nothing but what? 66. 2 by 3. 66.66. I already told na. That is the reason I skipped that one. Next one is what, amma? 7 by 9. Amma, 11 7 jars is how much andi? 77. 77. 7 by 9. Next, amma, 8 by 9. 8 by 9 is nothing but what, amma? 88. 8 by 9. Amma, 9 by 9 is needed? No. 9 by 9 is nothing but what? 1. 1 is nothing but 100%. Amma, it's very easy to remember na. No need to by heart each and everything. Simply try to remember. Whenever 9 is in the denominator, 11 multiples are coming. Which multiples are coming, amma? 11 multiples are coming. And remember, in both ways, whenever 11 is in the denominator, which multiples are coming? 9 multiples are coming. Okay, amma. Next one andi. So next, amma, 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is nothing but how much percentage andi? 10. We know very well, because whenever 10 is in the denominator, 10 multiples are coming. Which multiples are coming? 10. So no need to go for 10 amma. We know 10 table very well. 2 by 10, 20 percentage, 3 by 10, 30 percentage, 4 by 10, 40 percentage. We know very well. That is the reason I skipped that one. Okay, Nandi. So next one, next amma, next 1 by 11, 1 by 11. I already told 9 is nothing but 11. Therefore, 11 is nothing but 9. 9 1 by 11, or I can written as 9.09. 9.09. Simply remember, whenever 11 is in the denominator, 9 multiples are coming. What amma? 9 multiples are coming. So all of you know 9 table amma. Just try to say the answers. 9 table. Tell me 9 twos are 9 twos are 18. 18, 18, 2 by 11. Next 3 by 11. 9 3 jars is how much andi? 27. 3 by 11. Next entama 4 by 11. 36. 4 by 11. Next entama 5 by 11. 45. 45. 5 by 11. 6 by 11. 54. 6 by 11. This is 54 andi. 54. 6 by 11. Next amma 7 by 11. 9 7 ja 63. 7 by 11. Next amma 8 by 11. 9 8 jar 72. 8 by 11. Next amma 9 by 11. 81. 9 by 11. Next andi 10 by 11. 90. 10 by 11. All of you okay Nandi? So no need to by heart each and everything andi. Just try to remember whenever 11 is in the denominator, which multiples are coming amma? 9 multiples are coming. Whenever 9 multiples are coming andi, 11. 9 is nothing but 11. 11 is nothing but 9. All of you clear andi? All of you okay namma? Now for any competitive exam amma, up to 11 compulsory. For any competitive exam, just try to learn up to 11. Up to 11 compulsory. Up to 11 compulsory. And I will give you up to 20 and up to 20 is your choice amma, but up to 11 compulsory. Then I go for 1 by 12. 1 by 12. Amma 1 by 12 is nothing but half of 1 by 6 na. Half of 1 by 6 is nothing but what amma? So 8 1 by 3. 8 1 by 3, or I can written as 8.33%. 8.33%. Next andi 1 by 13 amma. 1 by 13 is nothing but 7.69%. 7.69%. 1 by 14 andi. 1 by 14 is nothing but half of 1 by 7. I already told 7 is in the denominator, 14 multiples are coming. 14 is in the denominator, 7 multiples are coming. Exactly half. And 14 2 by 7 half is nothing but what amma? 7 1 by 7, or I can written as 7.14%. Next andi 1 by 15. 1 by 15 is nothing but 6 2 by 3% andi, or I can written as 6.66%. Amma I already told 1 by 16. 1 by 16 is nothing but what andi? I already told 6 1 by 4%, or I can written as 6.25%. Okay namma. Next andi 1 by 17 and 1 by 18 and 1 by 19. Just try to remember these three as one set. 1 by 17 is nothing but 1 by 17 is nothing but 5.88 percentage. 1 by 18 is nothing but 5.55 percentage. 1 by 19 is nothing but 5.26 percentage. Just try to remember all three as one set. All three as one set. One set. So all three as one set, amma, all of you. And finally, 1 by 20, 1 by 20, 1 by 20 is nothing but 5. Amma, for any competitive exam, up to 11 compulsory. But try to remember up to 20. Up to 20. Okay, Nandi? So this fraction table will help a lot in the quantitative aptitude. We are going to apply this fraction table almost in each and every chapter in the quantitative aptitude. Okay, Nandi? It's very, very important, Amma. So I already given there are total 4 fundamental pillars: tables, square roots, cube roots. The first three are ever duty, and the fourth one is the fraction to percentage conversion table. This is very, very crucial. This will help a lot in the exam. All of you, okay, Nandi? Just try to remember this fraction table, all of you, and try to make a note of this fraction table, all of you. Okay, Nandi? After completion of the class. Now, all of you ready, Gadamma? Okay, very good. So next we go for a Vatama. So notation. All of you put it in a notation. Notation number 1. Just try to copy these points, Amma. It's very, very important. Notation number 1. Notation number 1. And just write down, Amma. Just all of you copy these points, Amma. It's very, very important point. A is what percentage of B? What percentage of B is A? What percentage is A of B? A is what percentage over B? What percentage over B is A? What percentage is A over B? Here total 6 statements are there, Amma. Here total 6 statements are there. Here total 6 statements are there. These 6 statements are same or different? Tell me. So tell me, Amma, try to say the answer. These 6 statements are same or different? So just tell me what is the right one. These 6 statements are same or different? I am waiting for the reply. So what is the answer? These are same or different? These are same or different? Anyone? Anyone? These six statements are same or different? All are different. Different. So Angela said it's different. Okay, I'm waiting for the still same. Swapna saying this is same. All the six statements are same. Still I am waiting for the different. Balaraju said different. Balaraju said different. Okay, okay. Amma, observe carefully, Hirandi. All the six statements are same. All the six statements are same. If you observe carefully, Hirandi, in all the six statements, compared person is same. What amma? Compared person is same. I already told compared person is always put in the denominator. Compared person is always put in the denominator. In all the six statements, amma, in all the six statements, andi, here compared person is same andi. So compared person is B. Amma, once we decide denominator, no need to think about the numerator because here only two persons are there. Only two persons are there. One person we already put in the denominator, then automatically the remaining person I have to put in the numerator. So remaining person is whom, amma? A. A have to put in the numerator. A have to put in the numerator. A by B. So this is a fraction number. Every time they're asking what and every time they're asking what percentage. So we need to multiply it with 100. We need to multiply it with 100. All of you okay, Nandi? Still, if you have any doubt, Amma, I will give one more choice, Andy. I will give you one more logic. Look at me, Andy, all of you. Look at me, all of you. After OF of or after over, which person is coming, simply that person put in the denominator. After OF of or after over, which person is coming, simply that person put in the denominator. Amma, look at me and all of you. Look at me, all of you. Look at me, all of you. Here after half, which person is coming? B. Here after half, which person is coming? B. Here after half, which person is coming? B. Here after over, which person is coming? B. Here after over, which person is coming? B. Here after over, which person is coming? B. All of you look at me, Amma. Simply remember, after OF of who or after over who, which person is coming, simply that person put in the denominator. Once we decide the denominator, no need to go for the numerator because the remaining person you have to put in the numerator. Then we go for simply multiply it with 100. It's very easy to remember na. All of you get amma. Okay, Nandi. So the single question they may ask in 6 different ways in order to confuse the students in the exam. The same question they may ask 6 different possibilities, but the answer should be same. All of you clear, Andy? In this way, it is very easy, na? In this way, it is very easy to remember or not? In this way, it is very easy to remember or not? All of you okay, na? It's very easy. So make a note, amma. Try to remember after OF of, or after OV, which person is coming, simply that person put in the denominator. All of you clear, Andy? So Balaraju, all are same, and Angela, all are same, and Sunny, all statements are same, Sunny. Okay, na? Just observe carefully. Okay, it's very good. So now all of you put it in notation number 2. All of you put it in notation number 2. Notation number 2. Notation number 2. Just try to write in parallel and with me. Just try to make a note and all of you. These are very, very important points, Amma. Try to copy, try to write parallelly. Try to write parallelly. The first one, A is by what percentage overall by how much percentage by how much percentage more or less than B. Second statement, B is by what percentage or by how much percentage more or less than A. Okay, Nama? Now tell me, all of you, these two statements are same or different? I am waiting for the response. So these two statements are same or different? All of you respond. Be active in the class. Just try to respond. These two statements are same or different? Sunny said these two statements are same. Okay, next. So Swapna said these two statements are different. Still I am waiting. Still I am waiting. Karthikeyan said these two statements are different. Balaraju said these two statements are different. Angela said these two statements are different. Okay, these two statements are different because in the first statement they compared with the B. In the second statement they compared with the A. Compared person is different. I already told. Compared person is always put in the denominator. Compared person is always put in the denominator. Here, if you observe in the first case, if you observe in the first case, first case they compared with what? B. First case they compared with what, B. Second case they compared with what, second case they compared with what, A. Compared person is different, na? Compared person is different, na? I already told, whenever compared person is different, statement is also different. So, just I already told compared person you have to put in the denominator, and here B put in the denominator. And they're asking what, more or less. They're asking what, more or less. So simply remember, wherever they're asking more or less, how can you say whether it is more or less? Whenever you are comparing two things, then you may decide one it is more than another one, or the first one is less than the second one. So simply remember, wherever they're asking more or less, we should go for comparison. Comparison is nothing but difference. Comparison is nothing but what, difference. So difference between, in the numerator, what do we put, difference between A and B. Difference between A and B. This is a fraction, na? This is a fraction, na? But they're asking what, percentage, na? So that is the reason I need to multiply it with what, 100. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఓకే కదండి? సిమిలర్లీ సెకండ్ వన్ అమ్మా, సిమిలర్ సెకండ్ వన్ compared with what? A put in the denominator. Here also they're asking more or less. Then I go for what amma? Difference between A and B. Both are same. A and B, B and A both are same. This is a fraction na, but they're asking percentage na. So I need to multiply it with what amma? 100. This is it's very easy to remember na. Okay na ma. Still if you have any doubt, I will give one more clarity andi. I will give one more way amma. Look at me andi. Look at me amma. All of you. After danu, which person is coming, simply that person put in the denominator. After than, which person is coming, simply that person put in the denominator. Amma, in the first case, after than B is coming na. After than B is coming na. B put in the denominator na. B put in the denominator na. In the second case, after than A is coming na. A is put in the denominator na. All of you just try to remember, after danu, which person is coming, simply that person put in the denominator. And wherever they're asking more or less, we should go for what amma? We should go for what? Difference. We should go for what amma? Difference. That difference you have to put in the numerator. So difference by dan into what amma? 100. In this way it is very easy to remember na. In this way, it is very easy to remember na. All of you okay, Nandi? Just try to remember. So after than, which person is coming, simply that person put in the denominator. And wherever they're asking more or less, we should go for what? We should go for what? What? Difference. Difference between A and B. So Chandana, amma, it's not same amma, it's different. Okay, Nandi? So make a note of all of you. Make a note. This is very, very important. Okay, Nandi? No. Amma, I will give one example. Are you ready? I will give one example. Make a note, Andy. I will give one example. Make a note, all of you. I will give one example. Try to solve this question, Amma. I will write one question here. Just all of you. So just try to solve this question. All of you, just try to solve this question. All of you. I am waiting for the response. A's salary is 42 6 by 7. This is a mixed fraction, Andy. 42 6 by 7 percentage more than B salary. More than B salary. Then B's salary is how much percentage less than that of A's salary? So try to solve yourself. I am waiting for the response. Then after that I will explain. I am waiting. Anyone got answer? Anyone? Okay. So first question I will explain, Amma. All of you just look at me, and all of you look at me. First question I will explain, and I will give some more questions for you. Okay, Amma. Amma, just listen, and all of you just listen. So I will give so some methods, and so after then we are going to select the best one. The first one, Amma, look at me. Here, A's salary is 40 to 6 by 7% is more than B's salary. There is nothing but A's salary is completely depends upon B's salary. If you know B's salary, then only we are going to draft A salary. But I don't know B salary here. I don't know B salary here. That is the reason, all of you, ma, that is the reason B's salary, I assume as 100. Just I assume 100. Here B's salary is 100. A's salary is how much, amma? A salary is how much more? 40 to 6 by 7% is more. 40 to 6 by 7. Amma, 1% of 100 is nothing but 1. 1% of 100 is nothing but 1. 42% of 100 is nothing but 42. 42 6 by 7 is nothing but 42 6 by 7. And A salary become what, andi? A salary become what, amma? 42 6 by 7. Then A salary become what, andi? A salary become what? 142 6 by 7. Now I know both the person's salaries, na? Now I know both the person's salaries, na? Now I know B salary, now I know A salary. Now question is what? Then B's salary is how much percentage less than that of A salary? Less than that of A salary. Less than that of A salary. So I already told after than which person is coming, simply that person put in the denominator. And here what we put in the denominator, and 142 6 by 7. 142 6 by 7. And what we put in the numerator, amma? Difference. Difference is how much, and here? 42 6 by 7. 42 6 by 7 by 142 6 by 7. And they're asking what? Percentage, na? Percentage, na? They're asking percentage, na? Then I need to multiply it with what, amma? Then I need to multiply it with what, and 100. Amma, in order to solve this one, definitely it will take some time, Anna, because 142 6 by 7 is a mixed fraction. 142 7 jars plus 6 by 7. Definitely it will take some time, Anna. Definitely it will take some time, Anna. That is the reason I don't follow. I don't follow this method because it will take some time. Procedure is right. Procedure is right. But it is a time taking one. That is the reason I don't follow. Amma, I will explain another method. Amma, I will explain another method. Just observe, Andi. All of you, just observe, Amma. Here, 42 6 by 7% is nothing but 42 6 by 7. Are you observing the fraction table, Amma? If you see in fraction table, Andi, 42 6 by 7% is nothing but how much fraction, Andi? How much fraction, Amma? 3 by 7. Is there in our fraction table? Is there in our fraction table? Column chudandi, Amma. Is there in our fraction table? Column chudandi. So 42 6 by 7% is nothing but what? 42 6 by 7% is nothing but 3 by 7. Na? All of you okay, Nandi? So if you remember this fraction table, Amma, it's very easy for you. It's very easy for you. 3 by 7. And I already told. So this 42 6 by 7 is 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is a fraction. 3 by 7 is a fraction. Amma, what is meant by fraction? What is meant by fraction? A part of whole thing. What is meant by fraction? A part of whole thing. So here whole thing is what? Denominator, na? Whole thing is what? Denominator, na? That is the reason. So here 100 is also whole thing. 7 is also whole thing. That is the reason I am assuming B's salary is 7. I am assuming B's salary is what, Amma? Sir, why you are assuming B's salary is 7? I already told. The fraction denominator is always whole thing. Whole thing is nothing but 100%. Okay, Amma? So that is the reason B salary I assume as 7, and if B salary is 7, Amma, A salary is how many times more, Amma? 3/7 times more. How many times more, amma? 3/7 times more. How many times more, andi? 3/7 times more. 3/7 times more. Amma 7 upon 3/7. 7 upon 3/7 is nothing but 7 upon 3/7 is nothing but 7 get cancel na. And how many parts more, andi? 3 parts more. How many parts more, amma? 3 parts more. Then A salary become what? A salary become what? 10. If B salary is 7, A salary is what? 10. A salary is what, amma? 10. Now I know both the person salaries na. Now I know both the person salaries na. So question is what? Then B salary is how much percent less than that of A salary? Ante after then which person is coming, amma? A salary we put in the denominator. What is the difference, andi? 3. 3/10. 3/10 is a fraction. If you multiply it with 100, so 3/10 is nothing but, I already told 1/10. 1/10 is 10%. Then 3/10 is what? 30%. Your answer is 30%. Any calculation is there? Any calculation is there? No calculation na? No calculation na? Straight away we are getting the 30% is the answer na? All of you okay na, andi? So compared to this one, this one is the best method, anna. Compared to this one, because it will take some time na. But if you go for this one, definitely you may get less time na. All of you okay, ramma? But here I don't follow this method also. It will take some time. But this, if you follow this one also, it will take some time. But our target is not that one. Our target is within 2 seconds, without using pen and paper, without using any formula. So we need to attack directly. Okay, Namma? So I don't follow this one also. Okay, Nandi? I will explain one more method. I will explain one more method. Look at me, Andy. I will explain one more method. I will explain one more method, Andy. In the statement, Amma, wherever they given more, wherever they given increase, wherever they given profit, and wherever they given greater, and wherever they given higher, these type of terminology. If you observe, Andy, Amma, all these terminology meaning is same. Wherever they given this type of terminology in the given statement, here statement is what? A's salary is 42.6% more than B salary. A salary is what? 42.6% is more than B salary. 42.6% is more. Amma, 42.6/7 is nothing but what I told, and fraction is what, Amma? Fraction is what, Amma? 3/7. Simply remember, and wherever they given more, or increase, or profit, or greater, or higher, any one of these terminology, just try to remember, all of you, any one of this terminology. Just do one thing, and whatever value in the numerator, simply add to denominator. Whatever value in the numerator, simply add to denominator. If 3 is added to 7, 3/10. So 3/10 is nothing but how much, Amma? 3/10 is nothing but how much percentage, andi? 30%. Your answer is 30%. Within seconds you are getting the answer, na? Just simply remember, numerator value is added to the denominator. If 3 is added to 7, 3/10, 3/10 is nothing but 30. Your answer is 30%. It's very easy, Amma. It's very easy to remember, Anna. Compared to, Amma, if you go for your bookish methods, Andy, they are assuming B salary as X. If we assume X, that is a bigger circus than this 100. And compared to X method, 100 is the best method. Compared to 100 method, 7 is the best method. Compared to all these methods, Amma, this one is the best method. We are going to attack directly without using pen and paper. All of you got the point or not? This is very, very important point. Wherever they given more, increase, profit, greater, higher, these type of terminology, simply do one thing. Whatever value in the numerator, simply add to denominator. All of you okay na Andy? And make a note this one. Make a note. All of you. This is very, very important point. Make a note, all of you. Okay, Nama, make a note. I will wait for some time. Just make a note. This is very, very important point, Andy. So Chandana replied, "It's very nice trick, sir. This is only initial class. In future, definitely. So our shortcuts are very nice, definitely. So you may feel so a different approach here. Okay, it's very so many tricks are there in the future classes. Okay, just try to follow. And so you may get one doubt now here. Anyone got any doubt here? Any doubt here? I think you may got one doubt. Anyone? You may got one doubt here. Anyone? Anyone? I'm respond. Anyone? You may got one doubt here. Yes. The doubt is, sir, you said what, sir? More okay, sir. Increase okay, sir. Profit okay, sir. Greater okay, sir. Higher okay, sir. If they ask, if they ask less, loss, loss, decrease, decrease, short, discount, discount. Amma, all these terminology is same or not? All these terminology is same or not? Swapna, yes. I am saying same thing. Okay, Nama, very good. So, Swapna is asking, so in case of less, what we do, sir? Very good. So, I am saying the same thing. Whenever they given less, loss, decrease, short, discount. All these terminology is same or not? All these terminology is same or not? All the terminology is same. Simply do amma, simply do amma. So, in previous case, if they ask more, increase, greater, higher, profit, numerator is added to denominator. In this case, simply numerator is subtracted from the denominator. What amma? So this is say for example numerator. This is say for example denominator. Simply do one thing. Numerator is subtracted from the denominator. Numerator is subtracted from the denominator. All of you okay, Randy? So I will give you some examples. I will give some examples. No problem. Okay, Randy. Simply remember, Randy, wherever they given less, loss, decrease, short, discount. Simply do one thing. Simply do one thing. Numerator value is subtracted from the denominator. All of you, okay, Amma? Make a note, Amma, all of you. Make a note. Make a note. And I will give some examples for you. Make a note. Okay. Now, see the second question. Try to solve this question. Answer, all of you. So I want response from the students. So A's height is 33.33% less than B's height. Then B's height is how much percentage more than A's height? I want answer. I want answer. I want answer. So I already told in case of less, what we do. So I'm waiting for the response. I'm waiting for the response. What is the answer? Without using pen and paper. So try to solve without using pen and paper. Without using pen and paper. I want answer. 25. Swapna said 25. Still I am waiting. Still I am waiting. Swapna, I already told. It's very clear. It's very clear. Still I am waiting for the right answer. Still I am waiting for the right answer. Still I am waiting. 50. Karthikeyan said 50 percentage. Yes, that is the right answer. Yes, that is the right answer. Very good, Karthikeyan. Very good. Keep it up. So 50 percentage. Very good. Just observe carefully here, Amma. Just observe carefully here, Andy. Just only observe the statement. Yes, statement is what? 33.33 percentage less. Chandana, wait, Chandana, wait. So see the statement here, na? Statement is what? 33, 33.33. Amma, I already told na. 33.33 is nothing but what? 33.33% is nothing but what? 33.33% is nothing but which fraction? Tell me. Which fraction? 1 by 3 na? They given less na? They given less na? In case of less, what I told? In case of less, what I told? Whatever value in the numerator, simply subtract from the denominator. Simply subtract from the denominator. If 1 is subtracted from 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, I already told 1 by 2 is nothing but 50 percentage. Now tell me, this is the best way of attacking or not? This is the best way of attacking or not? Within seconds na? Within seconds na? We are responding or not? So all of you got amma? Chandana, are you got? Are you understood or not? Swapna, are you okay namma? Very good. Just think about it. This is the right way. Okay Nandi? Simply do amma. Wherever the given less, loss, discount. So simply do one thing. Numerator value is subtracted from the denominator. All of you okay Nandi? Very good. Very good. So are you ready for the challenge? Are you ready for the challenge? I will ask one more question. But I want answer. But I want answer within seconds. Are you okay na? Are you ready? Okay. I will give one more question. I will give one more question. Just try to say the answer. Just try to say the answer. I am waiting for the response. Still I am waiting for the response. Varun says 20. Sunny said 20. Karthikeyan 33.33 percentage. Chandana said 20%. So don't worry. See the statement here. Statement is what here? Statement is what here? Increased by 25%. I said very clear. I said very clear. So 25% increase. First of all, tell me 25% is nothing but 25% is nothing but what I told. 25% is nothing but what I told. What fraction, amma? Tell me what fraction? 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Increase, anna. Karthikeyan, here they given increase, anna. Karthikeyan, here they given increase, anna. What I told, increase is nothing but what I told. Numerator is added to denominator. If 1 is added to 4, 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is nothing but what? 1 by 5 is nothing but what? 20%. Karthikeyan, are you okay? So, most of the students said the right answer. That is the 20%. All of you clear, Anna? So, whatever question, so we are going to attack directly, Anna, without using pen and paper, within seconds, na? All of you okay, na? Very good. Karthikeyan, are you okay? So, I think you may subtract that one, okay? So, that is increase, na? Increased by 25%. Amma, don't confuse, Andy. Don't confuse, Andy. Always try to see the statement, not the question. Try to see the statement. By using statement data, you may answer for the question. Okay, so always see the statement. So are you okay, Karthikeyan? Very good. So 20% is the right answer. Decreased keyword is also used, sir. So very good, Karthikeyan. You said decreased keyword is also used, sir. So this is the very good. Sir, here decreased keyword is also used, na, sir. That is the reason I am confusing, sir. Very good doubt, Karthikeyan. So I said very clear. Don't see the question. This is the question, Karthikeyan. This is the question. But we always observe the statement. By using statement data, you may answer for the question, but don't use question data. All of you okay, na? Especially Karthikeyan. So are you clear now? Karthikeyan, are you clear now? Very good. So try to observe the statement data, not question data. Very good, Karthikeyan. Very good. So now, so are you ready for the next challenge? Are you ready for the next challenge? Very clear. So go for the next question answer. I need next question answer. Start. I want answer. I want answer. I want answer. Fast. I am waiting for the response. 9.09. Karthikeyan said, very good, Karthikeyan. Keep it up. Very good. Angela 9.09. Very good. Swapna 9.09. Very good. Sadni, very good. Very good. Dinesh. Varan, very good. Very good. All of you got the same answers. Very good. Yes. So here, 9 1 by 11. Yes, 9 1 by 11 is also right answer. Chandana, very good. The same answer. Very good. So here, so the statement is what, amma? Here the statement is what? Increased by. Here the statement is what? So increased by what, amma? Increased by what? 10%. Increased by what, amma? 10%. So increased by 10%. 10% is nothing but how much fraction, Andy? 1 by 10. 1 by 10. 1 by 10. 1 is added to denominator. Increase in 1 by 11. So 1 by 11 is nothing but, I already told Amma, 9.09 percentage, or I can written as 9 1 by 11. Both are right answers. Both are right answers. Okay, Nandi? Now, Chandana, are you okay now? Chandana, are you okay now? So 10 percentage it increased. So 10% is nothing but 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10 increase in 1 by 11. 1 by 11 is nothing but 9.09 or 9 1 by 11. Chandana, are you okay now? Is it visible? Okay, it's definitely it's visible. Okay, very good. So now are you ready for the next challenge, Amma? Are you ready for the next challenge? Okay, very good. So go for the next question answer, Amma. All of you just try to solve the next question answer. Just try to solve. What is the answer? Just give me the answer. What is the right answer? 25 percentage. Varun said, Chandana said 25. Dinesh Varan, what happened? 20, 24. How to get 24? Sunny. Swapna 25. Dinesh 25. Angela 25. Swapna 25. Sunny, what happened? Sunny. Balaraju, what happened? Here to see the statement reduced by what happened? Reduced by what am I? Reduced by 20 percentage. Reduced by what? 20 percentage. 20% is nothing but how much fraction? 20% is nothing but how much fraction? 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Reduce na? Reduce is nothing but what? Decrease na? Minus. 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is nothing but what I told Amma? 25%. Sunny, are you okay now? Sunny and Balaraju. Balaraju and Sunny, are you okay now? So remaining students said right answers. So I am waiting for the response from Balaraju and Sunny. So are you okay now? Balaraju and Sunny, are you okay now? The remaining students said right answer. So Balaraju, okay. So Sunny, I am waiting for your response. Sunny, are you okay? Very good, Sunny. So go for the next question, Amma. Always just try to solve this question. All of you, just try to solve this question. All of you, just try to solve this question. Just try to say the answer, Amma. What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? Swapna 20. Swapna 20. Balaraju, very good. Keep it up, Balaraju. Balaraju 20. Swapna 20. Balaraju 20. I'm expecting the fast response. So see the question here. Age of Ravi is 20 years. Okay, no problem. If the Sam says is 25% greater, what am I? 25% greater. 25% greater. 25% greater. Just observe the statement. Observe the statement. 25% greater. Amma 25% is nothing but what fraction andi? 1 by 4. Increase na? Greater na? Greater is also what amma? Increase na? 1 is added to 4. 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is nothing but 20%. Tell me how many seconds it will take. Tell me how many seconds it will take. Within seconds na? All of you students, within seconds na? All of you okay na? So generally students are doing some circus. Age of Ravi is 20 years. Sham's age is 25% greater than that of Ravi. 25% of 20. That is nothing but 5 extra. That is nothing but 25. So remainder is 5. 5 by 25. 1 by 5. It will take some time. It will take some time. All of you okay Nandi? So no need to go for all those calculations, Amma. Simply try to follow this trick. All of you okay kadamma? So Chandana, what happened? Chandana, are you okay, Chandana now? Chandana, are you okay now? You got wrong answer. Are you okay, Chandana now? Remaining students got right answers. Chandana, are you clear now? I am waiting for your response. Are you clear now? Okay, very good. So try to solve the next question, Andy. Just try to solve the next question. Shruti usually wears saree which is 16.66% less than the actual length of the saree. By how much percentage the length of the actual length of the saree is greater than the length of the saree which usually Shruti wears? The question is like this. Don't worry. Just observe the statement and try to give the answer. Just try to give the answer. What is the answer? What is the answer? Chandana. Very good, Chandana. Very good. Keep it up. Sunny, very good. Sunny, very good. So Varan, very good. Very good. Swapna, very good. Very good. Very fast response is there from the students. Very good. So, 16.66% is less. Yes or not? Amma, I already told 16.66% is nothing but what I told, and 16.66% is nothing but what I told, Amma, 1 by 6. So less na minus na 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is nothing but how much percentage and 20%. All of you okay na Andy? Very good. Try to solve the next question Amma, fast. Fast. Try to complete. Fast. What is the answer for the next question? Do it fast. I need answer. I need answer fast. So Varan, that is wrong answer. Chandana, it's the right answer. Chandana, Sunny, it's wrong answer. Swapna, 10% less. 10% less is nothing but what? Amma? Just try to see this one. 10% less is nothing but what? 10% is nothing but what? 1 by 10. Less na? Less na? So less is nothing but 1. 1 is subtracted from 10. 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is nothing but what? Amma? 11. 1 by 9. Or I can written as what? Amma? 11.11 percentage. Yes, most of the students said right answer. Most of the students said right answer. Chandana. So Chandana, that is wrong answer. Okay, so don't confuse. Whenever 9 is in the denominator, 11 multiples are coming. Whenever 11 is in the denominator, 9 multiples are coming. Are you okay, Chandana? Very good. So try to say the next question answer, Amma. Try to say the next question answer. So what should be the minimum markup percentage such that after giving a discount of 66.66 by 3 percentage, there will not be a loss. So this is a profit and loss question, profit and loss chapter. This question is coming from profit and loss. At the time of profit and loss class, I will give the clarity regarding all these terminologies. But try to say the answer for this question. I am waiting for the response. So here they given 66 2 by 3, a discount of 66 2 by 3 percentage. 66 2 by 3 percentage, discount of 66 2 by 3 percentage. So Chandana, what is the answer? 6 2 by 3. You said 6 2 by 3. So 50. So Varun said 50. So 66 2 by 3. 33. Swapna said 33.33. Look at me, all of you. So first of all, tell me 66 2 by 3 percentage nothing but what fraction? What fraction? 2 by 3 na? 2 by 3 na? So discount na? Discount is nothing but decrease na? I already told discount decrease is nothing but same na? So if 2 is subtracted from 3, 2 by 1 na? 2 by 1 na? 1 by 1 is nothing but 100 percentage na? Then 2 by 1 is nothing but 2 by 1 is nothing but how much percentage? 2 by 1 is nothing but how much percentage? 200 percentage na? Your answer is 200 percentage. All of you clear na? If 2 is subtracted from 3, 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but 200 percentage. All of you okay na? Sunny, are you okay? Swapna, are you okay? Varun, are you okay? Chandana, are you okay? Okay, so simply do. So discount is nothing but decrease. Discount is nothing but what amma? Decrease. So that is nothing but 2 is subtracted from 3. That is nothing but 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but 200 percentage. Very good. Now go for the next question amma. What is the next question answer? So this question is also coming from profit and loss chapter. Just try to say the answer. Just try to say the answer. By using false weight, he gained 25 percentage. He gained 25 percentage. He gained 25 percentage. Find the false weight. Find the false weight. Find the false weight. What is the answer? Very good. Chandana replied. Very good. 20 percentage. Yes, that is the right answer. Here they given 25 percentage. Here they given what amma? So 25 percentage. 25% gain. 25% gain is nothing but 1 by 4. So 1 is added to 4. 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is nothing but 20 percentage. Very good. Very good. So try to say the next question answer amma. This question is also coming from profit and loss. Just try to say the right answer for this question. All of you. Just try to do. What is the right answer? Just try to observe the statement. He gains 14 2 by 7 percentage. That is 14 2 by 7. So gains 14 2 by 7 is nothing but 14 2 by 7 is nothing but what fraction amma? 1 by 7. Gain na? That 1 is added to what? 7. 1 is added to what? 7. 1 by 8 is nothing but 12.5 percentage. I explained amma at the time of profit and loss. I will explain each and everything. Okay amma. So here 14 2 by 7% gain amma. 14 2 by 7 is nothing but 1 by 7. So 1 is added to 7. 1 by 8. That is nothing but 12.5 percentage. All of you okay na? Swapna, are you okay? So why I'm giving the questions from the different chapters is nothing but this shortcut we are going to apply any chapter in the quantitative aptitude. Any chapter in the quantitative aptitude. So that is the reason. So I am giving different examples from different chapters. It is applicable or not? It is applicable na? every chapter, every question like this model. Okay namma. So now we are going for the next concept and that is very very important one. And before going to that one, so I will give some more questions and Satish, look at me all of you. Satish monthly salary is what amma? 6,300 63,000. Monthly salary is 63,000. 63,000 increased by 14.28. Increased by 14.28. I already told 14.28 is how much percent, how much fraction amma? How much fraction? 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 of 63,000. Exactly 7 how many times amma? 9,000. They're asking his increase in salary. His increase in salary is how much andi? 9,000. Your answer is what amma? 9,000. So no need to write all these things andi. In the exam straight away you may attack directly amma. 14.28 is percent is nothing but 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 of 63,000 is nothing but exactly 9,000. Okay namma? All of you clear andi? This is very simple question. And if you observe the next question andi, Venkat monthly salary was 70,000. His salary increased by 7.14 percentage. His new salary is dash. First of all, tell me what is 7.14 percentage? 7.14% is nothing but 1 by 14. 1 by 14. 1 by 14 fraction. So 1 by 14 of 70,000. 1 by 14 of 70,000, 5,000. So increase in salary is 5,000, but they are not asking increase in salary, they're asking new salary. New salary is nothing but previous salary is 70,000, increase in salary is 5,000, therefore new salary is 75,000. Your answer is 75,000. Otherwise, just look at me here, amma. Original salary is 70,000, original salary is 70,000, 7.14% increases, 7.14% is nothing but 1 by 14 fraction. 1 by 14 of 70,000, that is nothing but 5,000. This 5,000 is what? Increase in salary. But they're asking what amount? New salary. So previous salary 70, increasing by 5,000. Therefore, new salary is what? Therefore, new salary is what? 75,000. New salary is what amount? 75,000. All of you okay, Andy? Now, so I will, all of you okay, kadamma? Now I am going to explain a new concept, Andy. Just concentrate, amma. The coming concept is very, very important. The coming concept is very, very important, all of you. So because the coming concept, we are going to apply each and every chapter in the quantitative aptitude. It's very, very important. So before going to that one, amma, I will give you 2 points, Andy. The first point, amma, the first point, whatever number they given, whatever number they given, the given number, whatever number they given, the given number, we are going to assume as 100%. The given number, we are going to assume as what amma? 100%. Just remember this point. Whatever number they given, the given number, I'm going to assume as what amma? 100%. Given number. And one more thing, Andy. Given number amma. Given number. Next. Fraction denominator. Fraction denominator also I assume as 100%. Fraction denominator is also I assume as what? 100%. I already told fraction definition. Fraction is nothing but what I told amma? A part of whole thing. Denominator is whole thing, na? Take any fraction. Fraction denominator is always 100%. Fraction denominator is always 100%. All of you okay, Nandi? Given number 100%, fraction denominator is also 100%. All of you okay, Amma? Just remember these two. Points, Andy. And here I assume one number, Amma. Here I assume one number. My favorite number it is 1800. My favorite number it is what amma? 1800. What I told amma? Given number I assume as what amma? Given number I assume as what andi? Given number I assume as what amma? Matadalama. Just given number I assume as what amma? 100%. 100% is nothing but how much andi? 1800. 100% is nothing but how much amma? 1800. Here I am going to take half of this one. Half of this one is how much andi? Half of this one is how much amma? 900. Just half of this one. If we go for again half, half of this one is how much andi? 450. If I go for again half, 12.5% is nothing but how much amma? 225. Nothing is there here. Half, 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 half. All of you okay, Nandi? If you don't know these type of calculations, if you don't know this type of mechanism, say for example, if they ask what is the 12.5% of 1800? What is 12.5% of 1800? Whenever you are seeing this expression in the exam, generally how to start? 12.5 is a mixed fraction, then start. 12 2s are 24 plus 1 25 by 2 percentage is there by 100, 25 by 2 by 100, 25 1 jaru, 25 4 jaru, 1 by 4 by 2, 1 by 8, 1 by 8 of 1800, 8 1 jaru, 8 2 jaru, 8 2 jaru, 8 5 jaru. It will take some time, Anna. That is the reason we don't follow this one. Okay, Namma. So I already told 12.5 is nothing but what, Amma? 12.5 is nothing but what, Andy? 12.5 is nothing but what, Andy? 12.5 is nothing but what? 1 by 8 na? 1 by 8 of 18,000 na? 1 by 8 of 1800 na? 1 by 8 of 1800 na? 1 by 8 అంటే ఏంటి? Half, half, half. Amma, 1800 half, 900. 900 half, 450. 450 half, 225. It's very easy, Anna. If you practice from the first day onwards like this, after few days, you may get that logic or not, you may get that speed or not. All of you okay, Andy? Very good. Now, so next, Amma, the next point, Andy, it's very, very important point, Amma. Listen carefully here. 10%. Generally, try to remember, all of you. I already told one concept. What I told? To convert any number or fraction in terms of percentage, we need to multiply it with 100. Na? This is reverse approach. To convert any percentage in terms of its fraction or in terms of its value, we need to divide it with 100. We need to divide it with 100. Just try to remember, Amma. In order to remove the percentage symbol, in order to convert a percentage into a fraction, so we need to divide it with 100. So here percentage is there. In order to remove this one, so I need to divide it with what? I need to divide it with what? 10 by 100. So 10 by 100 is nothing but what, Amma? 1 by 10th part of the given number. 1 by 10th part of the given number. 1 by 10th part of the given number. For suppose in the given number, 1 0 is there, try to cancel 1 0 from the given number. If 0 is there, if 0 is not there, put point after 1 decimal. Put point after 1 decimal. All of you remember, Andy, wherever I am asking 10% or wherever you require 10%, just try to remove a 0 from the given number. If 0 is available, if 0 is not available, put point after 1 decimal. Put point after 1 decimal. All of you okay na? Very good. So now tell me, Amma, what is 10%, Andy? What is 10%? Just remove 0 and tell me what is 10%. 10% is nothing but what, Amma? 180. 20% is nothing but how much, Amma? Just 2 times of this one, 360. What is 30%, Andy? How much, Amma? 540. Ma, this is, don't worry, this is 18 table. This is what, amma? 18 1 jar, 18 2 jar, 18 3 jar. That is the reason I said, na, we need minimum tables. Okay, Nandi? Next, what is 40% Andy? 40% is nothing but what, amma? 720. Next, amma, what is 60%? No need to write 50. Again, 60%. What is 60%, amma? 1080. What is 70%, amma? 1260. What is 80%, amma? 1440. What is 90%, అండి? 1620. 1620. 100% is nothing but 1800. All of you okay, Nandi? No. Sometimes they may ask, amma, 1%. Sometimes they may ask what, amma? 1%. So I already told, in order to remove the percentage symbol, what we do? Divided it with 100. And 1% is nothing but 1 by 100th part of the given number. 1 by 100th part of the given number. For suppose, in the given number, 2 zeros are there, remove 2 zeros from the given number. If zeros are available, try to remove 2 zeros from the given number. If zeros are available. If zeros are not available, put point after 2 decimal. Put point after 2 decimals. All of you okay, Nandi? So now tell me, amma. Now tell me, what is 1%? What is 1%? 18. Remove 2 zeros. 2%? 36. 3%? 54. 4%? 72. 5%? 90. 6%? 108. Next, 7%? 126. 8%? 144. 9%? 162. All of you okay, Nandi? Amma, now I am asking some questions. Are you ready for the challenge? Are you ready for the challenge? All of you, are you ready for the challenge? Okay, I will ask some questions. Look at me. What is 37% of, what is 37% of 1800? I want answer fast. I want answer fast. I am waiting for the response. What is 37% of 1800? I am waiting for the response. Don't use pen and paper. So try to solve without using pen and paper. Don't use pen and paper. 666, Swapna. Very good. Keep it up. That is the right answer. 666. Okay. So 37% of 1800, amma. Don't worry. 37 na. First of all, 30% is 540. 7% is 126. 540 plus 126. 666. Your answer is 666. Your answer is 666. All of you okay, na? Don't worry. 37 na? Simply split. 30. 540. 30% is 540 na? 7% is what? 126 na? 540 plus 126, 666. Amma, if you practice orally from the first day onwards, na, after few days you may get that speed. If you use pen and paper today, in the exam hall also you are doing the same circus. It will take some time. Just try to solve one day. Don't worry, it's not possible in a single day. After a few days, you may can get that logics, that you may get that speed. All of you, okay, Amma? Are you ready for the challenge? I will ask one more question. Are you ready? I will ask one more question. Are you ready? Are you ready? What is 73% of 1800? I want answer. 73% of 1800. %73 of 1800. One three one four Swapna, very good. Balaraju 1314, very good. So Varun said Anjala 1314, Sunny 1314. Very good. 1314 is the right answer. Amma, don't worry. 73 na 70. 1260. 354. 1260 plus 54. 1314. Amma, don't wait that much time. Children, just look at me, all of you. 73, 70, 1260. 354, add 54 to 1260, 1314. It's very easy, Anna. If you practice like this, it's very easy, Anna. Definitely, definitely. So, Amma, I will move little bit further. I will move little bit forward. Okay, Nandi, I will move little bit forward. Just observe carefully here, Nandi. Point 1% is nothing but what amma 0.1% is nothing but what amma 1.8 1.8 1.8. Next 0.2% is nothing but what amma 0.2% is nothing but what amma 0.2% is nothing but what amma 3.6. 0.3% is nothing but what amma 5.4. 0.4% is nothing but what amma 7.2. 0.5% is nothing but what amma 9. 0.6% is nothing but what amma 10.8. 0.7% is nothing but what amma 12.6. 0.8% is nothing but what amma 14.4. 0.9% is nothing but what amma 16.2. All of you okay, Nandi? Now, are you ready for the challenge? I will ask some questions. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Now tell me, what is 43.5% of 1800? What is 43.5% of 1800? I am waiting for the response. What is 43.5% of 1800? I am waiting for the response. What is 43.5% of 1800? Seven 783. Varun said 779.4. 764. Sunny. Look at me, Amma, all of you. 783 is the right answer. Look at me, Andy. 43.5. 40% is nothing but 40% is nothing but 720. 3% is nothing but 54. 720 plus 54, 774. 774. 0.5 is nothing but 9. 774 plus 9, 783. All of you okay, Namma? So, Varan, are you okay? 783. So, 40, 720, 3, 54, 720 plus 54, 774, 0.5, 9, 9 plus 774, 783. Varan, are you okay? Very good. So, now, Ma, are you ready for the next challenge? I will ask one more question. Are you ready? So, try to solve what is 63.5% of 1800. 63.5. 63.5. 63.5. What is 63.5% of 1800? Priya said 1143. Very good, Priya. So 1143 is the right answer. Very good. Keep it up. So 63.5. Balaraju said 1143. Angela, Sunny, what happened? 1623. Swapna, what happened? 160. That is not 63.5, Swapna. So 63.5, look at me. 60% is nothing but 1080. 60, 1080. 3% is 54. 1080 plus 54. 1134.5. 9. 1134 plus 9. 1143. So we need this type of attacking. So if you practice more, and if you practice more, don't worry. If you practice more, definitely you may get so this type of calculation in the future. No doubt in that one. But if you use pen and paper today, after some days also you are using the same type of circus. That is the reason. So try to solve orally. Try to split according to your comfortable. Just try to split and just try to join. All of you okay, Amma? So, Amma, all of you remember, Andy. So here, from this explanation, first of all, here one thing is very, very important, Amma. So, how to calculate percentages? How to calculate percentages? That is very, very important. All of you got some idea? All of you okay, Amma? All of you got some idea? So these are the basics how to calculate percentages. And one more thing, Andy, one more important point, Amma, here. One more important point here. Knowing the basics, yes, important. Yes, I accepted. But and one more important thing, Amma, here. How to use these basics in our exam? What are the applications of these basics in our exam? That is very, very important. I will explain. What are the applications of these basics? How to use these basics in our exam? That is very, very crucial. Na? I will explain now. Just I will explain now. Look at me, Andy. In any chapter in the quantitative aptitude, after solving the entire question, finally we got these type of expressions. How to solve this one and what is the answer for this one? Anyone? I need answer. I need fast response from the student. So after solving entire question in the quantitative aptitude, finally we got these type of expressions. So 60 by 1500 into 100. So what is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? I am waiting for the response. What is the answer? Swapna said 4. Yes, it is 4. It's very easy. It's very easy because zeros are there. Zeros are there. So two zeros get cancelled. 15 1 jaru, 15 4 jaru. Yes or not? 15 1 jaru, 15 4 jaru. Your answer is what? 4%. It's very easy because here zeros are there. and 60 is divisible by 15. It's very easy to attack. If zeros are there, it's okay. Similarly, Amma, all of you, just try to solve this one. 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 73 by 151 into 100. Here zeros are not there. Here zeros are not there. 73 by 151. 73 is a prime number. It doesn't go any table. It doesn't go any table. Then you are feeling, whenever you are seeing this expression, you are feeling this is very tough. But I don't use this type of calculations. Look at me, all of you. I don't use this type of calculation. Just observe, Amma, how I am solving. Just observe, all of you. This is very, very important. So just concentrate 5 minutes, all of you. Just concentrate 5 minutes, all of you. Just look at me, Amma, this one. First of all, this 100 is 100% is nothing but 1. This 100% is nothing but what, Amma? 1. This 100% is nothing but 1 na? 1 and 100% both are same na? Both are same na? Mari, why you are cancelling zeros? Something into 1 is nothing but something into 1 is nothing but something only. There is no value for 100 na? There is no value for 100 na? Why you are cancelling zeros? All of you okay nandi? Something into 1 is nothing but something only na? I already told, try to concentrate on the fraction. Try to concentrate on fraction. Here 60 by 1500. I already told what is meant by fraction? A part of whole thing. A part of whole thing. So here denominator is what? 1500 na? And the 100% is nothing but 1500 na? 100% is nothing but 1500 na? If 100% is 1500, 1% is how much? 15 na? Try to remove 2 zeros. 1% 15 na? I need to concentrate 60 na? 1% in 15. Then so how to get 60? 4% is nothing but 60 na? 4% is nothing but 60 na? Straight away you are getting the answer na? No need to write on the board. Whenever you are calculating, if 60 is there, 1500 is there, your mind is automatically calculated now. Oh, 1% is 15. I need 60. 4% is 60. Your mind is automatically calculated and immediately pick the option. No need to use pen and paper. All of you okay, Randy? But students are doing what to? 60 chala fast ka. They are doing very fast. 60 by 1500 into 100. Okay, so they are writing zeros na, and they are writing zeros na. Immediately they are cancelling. Two zeros cancel. And why they are writing zeros and why they are cancelling zeros? It will take some time, Anna. You are wasting some time, Anna. In the final exam, each and every second is very, very crucial, Anna. It's very, very crucial, Anna. They are writing zeros and immediately they are cancelling zeros. And then 15 1 jar, 15 4 jar is equal to 4. Very good, very good. And the answer is 4%. Why you are doing all these things, na? Simply, I already told that denominator is 100%. Our target is numerator. 1% 15. I need 60. 4% is 60. All of you okay na? Very good. And coming to the next one, Amma. Coming to the next one, Andy. 73 by 151 into 100. Into 100 is nothing but what I told, Amma. Into 100 is nothing but what I told. Into 100 is nothing but what I told, Andy. 1%. Oh, sorry. 73 by 151 into 100. Into 100 is nothing but what I told, Amma. 1. Something into 1 is nothing but something only. So why you are writing into 100, sir? That is the indication for percentage symbol. Don't worry. That is the indication for percentage symbol. Now our concentration is on fraction. The fraction denominator is always what, Amma? 151. 100% is nothing but 151. Look at me, Andy. Listen, 5 minutes, Andy. Just this is very, very important. Very, very crucial. Our target is 73, but 100% is nothing but 151. Na? That is the reason I am going to take approximately 50%. 50% is nothing but half of this one na, 75.5 na. But I need only 73 na. I need only 73 na. Look at me, all of you. I need 73. Whenever I am taking 50%, I got 75.5. Our answer is less than required na, and our answer is less than 50% na, less than 50% na. And one more important point, I need 73, I got 75.5, I got 75.5, both are very closer values na, both are very nearer values na, and our answer is very closer to 50, less than 50 na, very closer to 50, less than 50 na. Amma, in the competitive exams andi, so options are available, just observe, amma, just think a while. In the competitive exams, why they are providing options, why they are giving options? If they expect exact answers from the students, put a dash, whatever answer you got to type with the help of virtual keyboard. Why they are giving options? They don't expect the accurate answers from the student, they expect the sense of the student, the skill power of the student. In the exam, while writing your exam, your temperature is minimum 102, your pressure is very high. At that temperature, at that pressure, do you have that sense or not? That test your skill power, not your knowledge. All of you okay nandi? Sir, you said very good, sir. You said very good, sir. What you said, sir? Less than 50, closer to 50. If only one option is there, it's very nice, sir. Okay, your answer is very closer to 50, less than 50. That is your answer. But if all options are closer to 50, options are like this. Close, less than 50, closer to 50. What are the options, Andy? 49 point something. 48 point something, 47 point something, 46 point something. All options are very closer to 50, less than 50. All are less than 50 na, very closer to 50 na. Sir, in this case, what we do, sir? Don't worry. Just I am going for one more step forward. Amma, look at me, Andy. I need 73. I got how much, Andy? 75.5. That is nothing but I got how much extra? 2.5 extra. 2.5 extra. First of all, my target is that 2.5 extra is how much percentage of 151? That much percentage I need to subtract from 151. Listen carefully here, Amma. I got 2.5 extra. Just try to subtract. That 2.5 is how much percentage of 151? Don't subtract this 2.5 from 50 directly, because 50 is percentage, 2.5 is a number. It's not possible a number is subtracted from a percentage. A number is always subtracted from a number, a percentage is always subtracted from a percentage. Just try to remember. First of all, calculate 2.5 is how much percentage of 151. I already told 100% is 151. Now tell me, 1% is how much, Amma? 1% is how much? 1% is how much? 100% is 151. 1% is how much, Andy? 1.51. But I need 2.5. And that is nothing but I need to subtract more than 1% na, because I need to subtract 2.5. If I go for 2%, that is 3.02 na. But I need to subtract only 2.5. That is nothing but I need to subtract less than 2% na. So that is nothing but I need to subtract more than 1%, less than 2%. More than 1%, less than 2% is nothing but 1 point something na. More than 1%, less than 2% is nothing but more 1 point something na. If you subtract 1 point something from 50, your answer is 48 point something. If you subtract more than 1, less than 2, that is nothing but 1 point something. If you subtract 1 point something from 50, your answer is 48 point something. All of you got or not? Amma, whenever I am explaining to you, it will take some time because I need to explain each and everything to you. After getting some experience, if you solve yourself, now I am solve myself. It's very easy to attack na. 73 by 151, 50% 75.5. I need 73 only. I got 2.5 extra, 1% 1.51, 2% 3.02. So I need to subtract more than 1%, less than 2%. That is nothing but 1 point something from 50. That is nothing but 48 point something. Within seconds, we are going to attack directly or na, without using pen and paper. Within seconds na. So we need this type of attacking power in the final exam. So for that type of attacking, first of all, we need some practice. If you practice more, definitely you may get this type of attacking speed in the final exam. All of you clear Andy? Amma, in order to solve this one, in order to attacking like this, in order to attack like this, we need this basics or not? We need these fundamentals or not? Without knowing these fundamentals, is it possible to attack directly? That is the reason I told. That is the reason I told. First of all, concentrate on our fundamentals. Concentrate on your fundamentals. Once your foundation will strong, then definitely further classes are very easy for you. So Amma, all of you understood this logic. All of you understood this way of calculation. All of you okay now? So Balaraju, Swapna, Sunny, Angela, so Varun, all of you okay now? Are you understood? So Amma, so don't worry, it's not possible in a single day. So if you practice like this, definitely in future, in further classes, definitely, so you may get that one. Okay, Namma. So don't worry. But up to then, so try to practice, try to practice your basics. So I already given some work to you. I already allocated some work for you. Yes or not? So I already explained now. I already explained some work for you now. So what are the Amma? So I need this fraction table. I need this fraction table. Chunama, I already explained. So what are the try to learn minimum 20 tables. Okay. So try to learn minimum so 20 tables, minimum 50 square roots, minimum 25 cube roots, and fraction table. So as early as possible. So try to complete these four. Okay, Namma? Be confident regarding these four. Once we get these four, na, the coming classes are very easy for you. The coming classes are very easy for you. All of you, okay, Namma? And so Swapna is asking when we'll get study materials. Amma, soon we are going to upload. We are going to upload so study material in PDF format. You may download and you may take Xerox also. Okay, Nandi. So soon. So we'll upload the PDF all subjects materials. Don't worry, Swapna. Okay. So this is the first class. This is the introduction class. So definitely. So within a day or 2 days. So we are going to upload the study material in our website. Okay. So don't worry, Swapna. Okay. So all of you okay, Ramma? All of you okay? Today's class. So this is very important class. So in the next class, so I will start the chapter, the quantitative aptitude chapters. So the first chapter after completion of this mind calculation, then next tomorrow's my class is percentages. So chapter name is what? Percentages. And today afternoon also, so class is there 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. class is there today also. So that class